We have completed till part 13, where we completed aseptic packaging, and also we have done types of packaging. Now we will continue with the type of packaging material used for canned food. Part 14, ideal container for canned food means what should be the can made up of. It must be made up of tin. And what are the requirements for that canned food container? It should be strong enough to protect the content during handling and transportation, light enough for easy and economic handling, means it should be light enough, impervious to air, moisture, dust and microorganisms. Once the can is sealed, means once the can is sealed, air should not enter inside. Should have pleasing appearance, not harmful or imparting any toxicity to the content, withstand the pressure and temperature of heat processing, be inexpensive enough to discard after use. Tin plate, which satisfy all the requirement, is the most popular material used for making food cans. The term tin plate is a misnomer, means first we do not use tin plate. We means most probably we use tin plate, but earlier it was open top sanitary can was used. Can having cylindrical body with shoulder lock seam on the side and unsoldered double seam ends made up of tin plate is an important development in can making. Then tin plate saying is misnomer, because in fact cans are made from sheet of iron coated on either side with tin, giving it a final composition of 98% steel and 2% tin. That is why it is not actually a tin, but we always used to say it the tin plate. The thickness of the steel plate used varies from 0.19 to 0.3 mm depending on the size of the can. This thickness varies. Uses of the coating for metal packaging. Many metal packaging, typically cans, container caps, closures, are normally coated on one or both sides. The inside coating is referred to as internal coating lacquer or enamel, and the outside as external coating enamel, ink or varnish. Unlike other applications, can coatings are normally thermally processed. Metal packaging is coated for many regions. Internal coating, that is the one which is in contact with the food, provide protection of the content from the metal, example iron pickup in beer, or discoloring of some dark color fruits such as plums and strawberry due to metal contact. Provide protection of the metal can from the content of the can, example acidic soft drink which may corrode uncoated metal, or some fish, meats and soups which may cause sulfur staining. This was the metal coating. Internal external coating will be there afterwards, and this was the ideal containers, that is a tin plate. What should be the tin plate made up of, and how is the characteristic, what is the characteristic of that tin plate? Now